हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं आज आप सबके सामने लेके आई हूँ जैक फ्रूट पैनकेक्स। We have de-seeded the jackfruits and kept aside the seeds. We need to transfer this into a blending jar and need to blend it to bring a smooth and fine paste out of it. Friends, I have used a little milk to blend it. I will be fermenting it and keeping the mixture aside for a night. You can see the consistency of this. It is very thick. We need to adjust all the ingredients according to our taste. So for this we require wheat, milk, maida or white flour, suji or semolina, a pinch of salt, baking powder half teaspoon, curd and honey. The whole ingredients are of your choice. We just need to adjust it. You can make it with the help of only wheat or maida or suji, whatever you like. Mix the whole mixture with the batter with the pulp of jackfruit and stir well. The batter should be like a cake batter. Friends, I will be fermenting it for overnight. It is not recommended or it is not mandated to ferment it overnight. You can just prepare it for keeping aside around half an hour and prepare it afresh. I have used a process of fermentation only because it has got a lot of benefits. Fermentation produces quite distinctive, strong, slightly sour flavors. So it helps in the formation of probiotics, which is also known as good bacteria, and in turn promotes multitude of health benefits, especially our gut health, which again helps in boosting our immunity. Probiotics helps in proper absorption and assimilation of nutrients. They are essential for our immune system. As already mentioned, probiotics contribute a healthy gut. They are also linked to a healthy mind, and hence our mood and behavior is largely dependent on our gut health. Probiotics helps in enriching vitamins V, K, E, and so on. It also breaks down the sugar and into its simplest form, which again balances the overall calories of the food as found in its original form. Hence, I have used the fermentation process because uh, I prefer a sour taste, and also as it has got a lot of health benefits out of it. If you don't like the sour taste, you are you can prepare it afresh. It's very tasty and healthy too. Mix everything well. You can add sugar if you want to. I have used honey. The sugar or honey also depends on the quality of the jackfruit. Mine jackfruit was too sweet, hence I have used honey a little, and also salt a pinch to adjust the whole consistency and the taste as well. It balances very well, hence I have used a little salt to adjust the balance and the taste too. Half a teaspoon of baking powder to make it, you know uh, the dough will puff up, hence I have used a little baking powder as well. I have used a cup of milk, and I'll mix everything very well, and without forming any lumps. You can use a hand beater and mix well and keep it aside for an hour or two. Friends, you can see the consistency. It is very thick. It is like a cake batter, and so we will keep this for overnight. So the mixture has puffed up after keeping it aside for overnight. We can see that it has risen so much. We need to beat this mixture so that it will form a very smooth batter again. Friends, let's grease a tawa. Friends, we need to spread the mixture evenly. You can use according to your size preferences. I have used here medium preference. Friends, we need to cover it with a lid and cook it in a low flame. After few minutes, before flipping it, we shall pour few drops of oil over it and then we will flip it. Let's remove the lid. Yes, it has cooked very well. We can see that the shiny color over it shows that it has cooked well. Let's flip it. Yes, we can see that it has cooked very well. Now it is ready to serve. Prepare it in batches, and we have here 6-7 pancakes. We will pour over it honey because it tastes very well. It goes very well with honey. Serve it hot and just enjoy this. Thank you so much for watching it. I hope you like this recipe.